Do you dream of captivating crowds with your words? Introducing the Captivating Speaker, a transformative 2-day masterclass hosted by the School of Etiquette. Get ready to unleash your inner speaker and conquer any stage with confidence. In a world where powerful communication sets you apart, this masterclass is your key to captivating your audience. Whether it's a boardroom presentation, a TED-style talk, or a lively conference, we've got you covered. From crafting compelling speeches to perfecting your delivery, we'll guide you through the art of captivating storytelling and powerful vocal techniques. With every performance recorded, we capture every speaking technique, allowing our expert coaches to provide you with invaluable feedback. With an average of 8 speaking opportunities over this 2-day masterclass, you'll experience rapid growth and start to feel your stage confidence develop. Join the Captivating Speaker Masterclass hosted by the School of Etiquette and unlock the power of your voice to connect, inspire, and leave a lasting impact on your audience.